This is the Logitech K270 full-size wireless keyboard. Keyboard died, had to get a new keyboard. And this one's plug and play. I just wanted to show you how it arrives and what you get with it. When you open it up, it was wrapped really nicely in this paper right here. So it's completely protected in there. You get a set of information that comes with it, and you get a set of instructions that just basically tell you to plug the USB thing into your computer. And that's it. It is a plug and play. So when you get this, the USB for it is sitting right here in the package. So don't overlook that. It's sitting right there, the typical Logitech USB. So on the back here, it arrives with batteries already installed. There's a little tab you pull out right here, and it activates the batteries. So they were good during transportation. We have 5 different little rubber feet on here. We have 2 stands, which I like to stand the keyboard up. I also kind of like that there's 5 holes here on the back, 5 or 6 holes in the back, so that, you know, I guess if I was blowing this out, I could blow stuff out through these holes or actually poke some keys off if I wanted to get in there and pull the keys off on the front. We have an on-off switch right here. We have some features on the top that I sometimes use, sometimes don't. You got mail. You can turn your PC off and on right here. Calculator I like. Home and your volume controls. You got a mute, up and down, and a play button. This is your typical standard QWERTY UEO keyboard. It's comfortable, it's lightweight. I can grab it up and you know, move it around if I'm watching TV. I've always been a fan of Logitech stuff, never had a problem with it, and there you go. Nice little keyboard.